So hello guys, this hello guys, this K Innovation. We're here again to do what we do best. Yeah. So we're in this Bet Ninja shop where a 3.5 kVA is installed, and last month or last 2 months, the god of thunder visited this shop, Shango. There was a heavy rain that led to a thunder strike, and the whole system was shattered, including the solar panel. So we were called on, and we came and we did what we can do best. We had to do some thorough engineering work. After investigating, we found out that the solar panel was burnt. The solar panel had 180 watts panels. They all got burnt. They all got short circuited, not burnt like fire burning. They got short circuited, and we had to still repair the inverter and also change the charge controller. So let's move in to see the system. So as it is now, we are on inverter mode. It's working. So these are the short circuited panels. 7. And we're working on it. So very soon we'll power this place. We have done so many preventive measures and we'll power it. And once we do that, we kick off. We'll see the end result here. So right now the charge controller is not being powered because there's no solar panel. So we'll start our job. So we are on the process of resuscitating the solar panels. They are burnt, as you can see. They are short circuited and they are not working right now. We'll do it and we'll test, we'll see the results. So technically we've started and we are going to end. So panel 1 has been resuscitated back. As you can see, if you check on the description, you will see maximum power output 36 volts. Now time to check on our meter. You can see 36 while on the sun. You can see 36 volts. So we're good to go. So after, these are the solar panels, as you can see. We're in the roof of Lagos. Those are the many ones. We're about to install the solar panel back to position. So after restoring the solar panel, the installation process is ongoing. So this is us in the roof of Yanoworo, doing what we know how to do best. So panel has been successfully installed. After enough working, we are now headed down from the roof to go and test the output. It's charging. This is charging at 2 hours. This is already 6 o'clock. So even with the little, the solar panel is working. That's it. So tomorrow, when the sun is high, you see the hour high. This will read 1 something, like 1 kV. Oh my God. So we're good to go. What is going on? Yeah.
Premier la ma plus là. Be comment on a réussi, on a eu